Hi, my name is Joyful Judy, and thank you all for joining me. I'm gonna make some potato patties. First, we start off with we have 3 potatoes. I boil them for 45 minutes to an hour. We have cheese. We need 2 eggs. We need onion, and we need seasoning: cayenne pepper, black pepper, adobo, and also Italian seasoning. Okay, everyone. The next time you see this, I'll be cutting everything up. First, I'm going to smash the potatoes. Just smash them. And then after we smash the potatoes, I'm going to put in the other ingredients. Okay, we got about everything cut up. I'm going to open this egg. One. We're going to use 2 eggs, okay? We're just going to, like this. I think everybody know how to stir the egg up, right? Okay, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to mix all this up with the rest of the ingredients. Okay, we're going to add on the ingredients. First, we're going to add on the cheese. I cut those cheese up small, okay? And you don't need to add cheese. You can use something else if you're allergic to cheese. And the onions, I use a very little onion, maybe less than half of the onions, the small onions, okay? And we're gonna put the eggs in, right? Now we're gonna just stir this up a little bit. I just want to stir it before I add all the other ingredients, right? Right? That smells good. Now adobo. I just estimate the amount. I'm so used to doing this. And lots of pepper, everyone. And don't forget the Italian seasoning is very good for this. I put a lot of Italian seasoning. And then just a little spice, the cayenne pepper. And what we're going to do, we're going to just stir this up like this. And then I'm going to make this into little patties. Make sure you stir it like this. Now, if you have more potatoes, if you have like 10 potatoes or more, you're going to need more eggs. You probably need like 4 eggs. But that's just it. And then we'll turn it to little patties. I'm just going to make one patty in front of you. Hands are clean, everyone. You can wear gloves, but my hands are clean. I have no rings on. I wash my hands, but I'm going to use my hand for this. And you just take a little bit like this, a little scoop, and you just make the little patties like that. Okay? Now, you can use flour. I don't want to use flour because I'm trying to do healthy, even though I have cheese in it. And that's our little patty, everyone, okay? So, I'm going to put it right here. The next time you see this, it will be cooked on top of the stove. Okay, everyone, I have my patty cakes. Some of them are already put inside the frying pan. What I'm going to do is just put one inside so y'all can see. I got a smaller one over here. And make sure you use olive oil or vegetable oil because butter will make them come apart. So what I do, I put inside, just smash them a little bit, okay? Just smash it just a little bit, okay? And then I'll be ready. We're going to cook this a few minutes on each side. And we're going to flip them. After maybe about 3 minutes, we're going to flip them on each side so they're like golden brown. Hi everybody, the potato patty cake is ready. I'm actually cooking one. I'm going to eat this with my hands, so I can't wait to take a bite out of this one. Oh my, so good. You take the potato, cheese, the onion, the seasoning. Just make sure you're in a ring to make this. You can eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This is called my potato patty cake. It's delicious. Well, that is it. I want to thank you all for watching and listening. Until next time, don't forget, God is good and God is great. Bye-bye. Love you.